非常的大。朋友，欢迎来到我们新年啊！跟着我们。博主，我就暂且当一下假装的本地人。我们徐宁身穿的就是牛肉、羊肉，看看你要点什么肉？Hey guys! Today is the second day of our trip and now we are here at Qinghai Hu. Qinghai Hu is the biggest salt lake in China and it's also the biggest salt lake like inland China. I really don't know how to be a tour guide, so maybe we should just enjoy this view. Oh, 很凉，对。你知道怎么上去吗？帅！别拍马屁股。Let's see. Let's put a drone footage over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Just kidding.没有，我给你配个音。来，1、2、3。Action！ 朋友们，大家好，这里是美丽的天空之境的游客中心啊，不好意思，刚才口误了。来，大家看看，这是远处的山，这是远处的车，以及这是近处的我。Let's go！ 专业。Hello， 大家，我们今天来坐快艇了。Are you ready for this amazing scene? Ta-da! We are at茶卡盐湖. This is a salt lake. Oh my god. It's amazing. You see the cloud over there? That is rain clouds. It's coming over to here. It was over here and now it's coming here.
Hello everyone. Welcome to 茶卡盐湖要怎么说？
它好像是
以前是怎么说？
开卡 salt lake. 对，茶卡Lake， 耶。
This is rated by the National Geographic as one of the 55 places that you should travel in your life. Ah, I'm here! This is awesome. It's raining! Oh! Hey. Back to my hat. I'm so cold. It's so cold.
怕它会给吹掉呀？
不会吹掉。
相信大哥的实力，好不好？
大哥，我没跟你接触过，我不敢。
飞行经验比较丰富。
笑一下对。
看。就是你们懂我那个意思吧？就是那个肉啊，不要太计较啊，就这样，拜拜。啊，这个糊了。羊肉。好。Guys, there are so many DJIs here. So many. People are just like flying crazy. It's like their hobby to fly, you know. See where we are? I think it's called Unbearable Lake. And of course, I prepared some footage for you from my DJI. Let's play them. Guys, it's so cold, it's so windy, and we have a lot of drones flying over here. I think it's really like one of the best weather to fly, and also a very nice location. But it's just so cold. I can't take it anymore. I have to go home.拉他一把，慢慢跑，脚掌着地，对，往上看，对，就这样，加油，脚掌着地，可以，加油，哈哈 ，Good job， 哦，哇，好漂亮哦，这些横幅是什么东西？
西啊？
亚洲面积最大的雅丹群。
真的、啊？
对。中国3大雅丹嘛，青海、甘肃、新疆。
嗯。
青海的是最大的。
这个横的是什么东西？这个。
这是防风沙的呀。
哦。我这个头发看不出这风有多大，我们来看你的头发。
那我再把头发放下来。
等我上去，你们2位。
上那就是
抓住了，踩住对。
对。
加油！
Oh my god！ 在上面，感觉有种给风压下来的感觉。耶，录影！你往后一点。
我挡着点。
哦，你往后一点。我会掉下去。
把相机给我，把相机给我。
不用掉。
掉下去没事，相机别掉。
啊，对，我也觉得。相机比较防摔。
欢迎来到这期的细评。我们现在来到了美丽的这个沙漠，大家就自己看就行了。看到我这个样子，应该觉得非常舒服。对，看到我这个衣服的动作，哇哦，这个风非常的大，我恨不得给大家跳一曲天鹅舞哦。好了，大家慢慢欣赏一下，这个风景还是很不错的，就是开车有点久。
好，这一排全部都是观景区。现在海滩在要玩。对，应该是。Hey guys. Today we are at 水上雅丹. It's really sunny over here, but we got a cloud coming over, so right now the exposure is perfect. I'm gonna fly my drone, but I'm not sure if this is a safe place to fly because they told me that there is no connection over here. So I want to test the connection first and then see if it's like safe to fly. Good luck! Best luck, okay? Hey guys, I was gonna do a hotel review, but then I locked myself out. So I'm going to, oh my god. This is the hotel that we're gonna live today, for tonight. Nice. Wow.